Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are excited to offer this superb Triumph Tiger Sport 660, registered the 19th of January 2023, on a 72 plate, with only 1,651 miles, and presented in Korosi Red. This handsome example benefits from a genuine Triumph top box and a full main dealer service history, 3 stamps in the book and last service just 71 miles ago. Triumph have taken their winning formula from the Trident 660 to create the Tiger Sport 660, and it's every bit as impressive. The Tiger Sport 660 is spacious, comfortable, agile and easy to manage, but can be genuinely sporty too, with a front end that fills you with confidence, tires that grip beautifully in all conditions and powerful brakes. That's all on top of a tuneful 3-cylinder engine that's never short of grunt or excitement, but still friendly when you need it to be. This can also be ridden on an A2 license, with the installation of a restriction kit. This exceptional example comes serviced, where required, with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection and a 3-month warranty for your peace of mind. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. Please note, we have a small £89 admin fee, applicable to all our bikes. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 0142444 44 48, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk, or WhatsApp 07359837799. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon.